Start. Suraj, your film is releasing tomorrow.
All the way!
Shankar.
Satellite Shankar. All the best to the entire team from the team team.
Yes, wish you were here with us.
Yep.
But you're promoting it from there, and
We love you, Suraj.
Dave.
So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the stars of the future and the stars of the present right now. Suraj Pancholi.
This is a dream launch, what people call a dream launch. It is one, and I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors, people who are much more talented than me, much more good looking than me, have a better body than me, but they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
You guys better do well, because the film does well, I do well. If God forbid anything happens, then buddy, I become a punching bag. One side your father, one side your father. Very difficult, huh? To survive that.
No, that is, I've been training for all my life, you know. I've been training since I've been a kid.
Yeah.
And
For the time as soon as my hand shifts, you put your hand under my shoulder.
All right,
For the time as soon as my hand shifts, you put your hand under my shoulder.
all right.
Okay, hi, Suraj here.
Yes.
So I watched the trailer and it's really nice. Continuing her question, you know, in the last 4 years, when we saw you get on stage in Hero, you had broken down because that was your first film, and you had struggled a lot to get that. Last 4 years also has been a lot of struggle for you personally. How did you get over it? And do you think that it's taken a lot of time and a lot of time in your life, you know, from your career at least?
See, the struggle for me is not 4 years because I waited at home. My struggle for me was 7 years because I was put in jail when I was 21 years old for something I have not done. I don't want to hide this. Of course, everyone over here wants to know about my personal life, and I would like to talk about it because I have been very quiet. मैं चुप था क्योंकि I believed in the court. I still do believe in the court, but यहाँ पे बहुत time लगता है, and I don't have 20 years for that. I don't have 14 years for that to wait for my judgment. I have been accused in my case, and you guys, an accused cannot do anything. You can accuse anybody, any single one, and there will be a case on you no matter what. Few points I want to put, sir, thought time lagega, but I need this. If I'm a complainant, I put a case on anybody. I don't have to go to court. The accused has to go to court on each and every date. Okay. Since I was 21 years old, I have been going to the court. I am 29 in a month.
Next question.
I need time. On my case, in the history of India, my case is the only case where the accused has said कि मेरा trial चलाओ. Okay, you know, I've gone to High Court and I've said I've filed a writ petition to expedite my trial. In the entire history of India, what is the population? What is the population? It's like we are billions. Okay, history of India, my case is the only case where the accused has gone to court and said कि मेरा trial चलाओ. It's been 7 years. You guys know what I'm going through.
Also, I want to ask Murad sir and Ashwin sir, you know, of course, when a case goes on in the industry, producers feel it's a risk to put money on an actor. You guys had your belief and you guys had your faith in Suraj. Do you think that this will change things? And of course, to you, you know, you've gone through a lot, like we can see. And producers must have had a risk of putting money on you. What do you have to say about both of them because they put money on you when things are still going on?
See, every time I go to a studio, the first question is, Suraj, what is happening with the case? And it is their right. If I was in their position, I would say the same thing. But I have nothing to say because I'm an accused. I cannot do anything. I have to wait for the trial to start. The complainant's duty should be to come to court and start the trial if they want justice. If they want justice, they need to come in court. But every time I have a trial, the complainants catch a flight and leave for London because they have a UK visa. A British passport, and the authorities over here cannot do anything about it. That is not fair. I want this trial to start. I want it to end because I want an answer. Whether I'm guilty, whether I'm not guilty, whatever. But start तो करो यार. Start करने से पहले आप चले जाते हो वापस. It's not bloody fair. Imagine if you were in my place. Everyone says, Suraj, my friends, family, this, that. Suraj, क्या हो रहा है केस का? I said, पता नहीं यार. मैं तो जाता हूँ कोर्ट. मतलब हर महीने में 2-3 बार तो जाता ही हूँ. Police has done investigation, not once, twice. I have a CBI investigation at the age of 22. Day and night I've sat with them. If they said that there's nothing in this case, why can't the court start my case? Why can't the complainant be there and face the trial? Because it's her duty. उन्होंने मेरे पे डाला है केस. अभी उनकी ड्यूटी होती है मेरे को गिल्टी प्रूव करना. मेरी ड्यूटी नहीं होती है कि मैं इनोसेंट प्रूव हूँ. You know, and that's how it should be. And it's a request from all of you all sitting over here that someone takes a stand, because the media keeps asking me कि क्या हो रहा है उसका, पर आप लोग क्या करोगे उसके बारे में? You know, I'm the accused. I'm asking for help. Really, guys, please understand. No, I have to say this because, you know, I've not spoken, and I thought ठीक हो जाएगा, but it's been too long. This is the only time I'm going to actually talk about it. The rest I leave it up to God, you know.
Don't worry, the film will speak for you.
We're talking about justice. I think they've done full-on justice to this script. And जब ये film release होगी, तब हमको देखने को मिलेगा 15 November. And you know the response has been amazing. यहाँ पे इस film की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं जैसे, तो it's been amazing. I'm sure ये super duper hit होगी. Congratulations one more time to the entire team, ladies and
Yeah, I have one last question.
अरे हाँ, याद है आपको मैंने आखिरी 2 कहे थे?
Yeah.
जी कहाँ हैं?
Yeah. My question is to the makers. Satellite शंकर के बाद आपके कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं and वो किस जॉनर में होंगे? Thank you.
Yes. उन लोगों ने अब तक देखा नहीं है. ट्रेलर 1 बजे आएगा. अभी आधे घंटे बाकी. नहीं, इन लोगों ने दिया ही नहीं मुझे कुछ. नहीं मैम. Yes, they have. In fact, my mom and my dad have only messaged me since morning saying all the best. Nothing more than that. And I know what that all the best means for me and for them. So that was enough for me. I'll go give them a big hug after this because I waited too long.
सूरज आपके लेफ्ट में. हाय सूरज, हीरो के बाद 4 सालों के बाद ये फिल्म आ रही है, तो एक एक्टर के लिए 4 सालों का वक्त निकालना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. ये 4 सालों का वक्त आपने कैसे निकाला और स्क्रिप्ट किस तरह की आपको ऑफर हुई थी इस बीच में जो आपको 4 सालों में पसंद नहीं आई?
मैम, you know, it's not only about an actor. 4 साल अगर कोई भी घर पे बैठे है उसके साथ क्या होता है वो जानता है या जानती है. पर I tried doing lots of films after that. Some things worked out. मैंने तो 1-2 फिल्म तो शूट करके बीच में बंद भी हो गई. देखो, I'm not here to talk about like कि हाँ अच्छा है ये वो. नहीं, I have been through a lot and everyone over here in this room knows that it has been a tough journey, but बोलते ना अपना टाइम आएगा.
क्या बात है. We'll take 2 और questions लेंगे.
सूरज, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
Yes.
ट्रेलर लुक, इट लुक वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग, और उसके साथ साथ है ना, मुझे कहीं सलमान भाई की बजरंगी भाईजान याद आती है, वो इमोशंस याद आते हैं. हाउ सिमिलर इट विल बी. हालांकि ये बिल्कुल अलग मुख्तलिफ फिल्म है, जहां आप एक सोल्जर का किरदार निभा रहे हैं, सलमान बिल्कुल अलग कर रहे थे, एक अलग किरदार था. लेकिन वो इमोशन की जब मैं बात करता हूँ, जिस तरह के जज्बात देखने को मिल रहे हैं कि पूरा देश लगा हुआ एक फौजी की जो कसम उसने ली है उसको सच करने के लिए वो झूठा ना हो, तो हाउ सिमिलर इट विल बी यू नो विद
See, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, though it was a very commercial film, the feelings were very honest and real. So this film is also that. I did this film because इसमें action था और dance था, उसके लिए नहीं किया मैंने. This was about a soldier जो अपनी माँ को मिलना चाहता है, and it's about what he faces throughout India to meet his mother, and then he has to go back on time. This film, we traveled across Himachal to Kerala. We went by road, in fact, most of it. And I've never seen India like this before, and I hope I get films like this, and I hope we get to make Satellite Shankar 2 if this film does well, really.
सूरज आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, सूरज क्या सलमान को आपने बताया इस फिल्म के बारे में? डिड यू डिस्कस द फिल्म विद सलमान एंड हाउ ही रिएक्टेड एंड डू यू वांट हिम टू सी द ट्रेलर एंड यू नो गिव हिज फीडबैक?
Actually, ये फिल्म खत्म होने के बाद मैं गया था उनको मिलने. I would love him to see the trailer, but I think he's busy right now. But in fact, after this, if he's free, I'll go meet him. But yeah, before starting this film, it was only Murad sir, Ashwin sir, and Irfan sir that I was in touch with.